Accidents happen. File a claim 24/7 online in about 2 minutes for a quick, simple, and hassle-free claims process. Simply log into your account online 24/7 from any computer, including any mobile device, or download our app from iOS or Android App Store. First, let us show you how our platform, built for enterprise, allows you to manage and track policies and assets owned by your business or schools. You can track any open claims to see the status in real time and even reprint a shipping label. Create divisions to track every single asset owned by your business or school. Now let us show you how simple it is to file a claim in less than 2 minutes. Simply filter a policy or device by serial number, asset tag ID, employee or student name. Click on Policy, then simply follow quick and simple steps to provide details and submit your claim. Yes, it's literally that quick and simple. Once your claim is reviewed, it can be approved typically within 4 hours, or many times instantly by our system. For depot service, you will receive an email with a prepaid shipping label. We even provide shipping supplies for you to ship devices in bulk to our facility. Receive email notifications every step of the claim process, or log into your account to track claims in real time. Businesses and K-12 schools can select UPS, FedEx, or USPS as their preferred carrier for shipping, and you can even schedule a pickup online for the carriers to come by and pick up devices when ready for pickup. The device is shipped to our depot repair facility. Once received, we repair the device to OEM standards. If we can't repair your device, we will replace it with the same brand and model, or even upgrade to the next generation model. Once the device is repaired, it goes through an extensive quality assurance process before shipping to you. All this happens within 5 business days from the date you ship the devices. For more information, please visit www.securranty.com.